beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most kind and benevolent.
This is a Smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Past perfect short story. Where were they?
What did they do?
What had they done? Last weekend, Roshi and Khalid went on date. Khalid took Roshi to the golf course. Khalid loved to golf. He had even learned to golf as a child. He had played on a team in high school. Before that day, Roshi had not golfed. She did not know how to hold the golf club. She did not know the rules. Khalid taught Roshi how to play. After Roshi has learned the basics, she hit the ball. It was a good hit. Khalid had taught Roshi well.
She had finished.
I had found them.
He'd gone. We'd found her.
She had not studied.
I hadn't worked here. He hadn't slept.
We had not watched. Had you subscribed my channel?
No, I hadn't. Had it rained?
Had Asma arrived before Roshi told you?
No, she hadn't.
We use the present perfect for the completed activity before a second point in the past. When the doctor arrived, the patient had died.
It means that first the patient died, then the doctor arrived.
When I arrived, the film had started.
It means first the film started, then I arrived. We ordinarily use the past perfect to clarify which action happened first. Maybe we are already talking about something in the past and we want to mention something else that is further back in time. This is often used to explain or give a reason for something in the past.
She'd eaten lunch so she wasn't hungry.
It had snowed in the night, so the train didn't arrive on time.
If it's clear which activity happened first, if we use the words before or after, for example, the past perfect is optional.
The patient died before the doctor arrived, or the patient had died before the doctor arrived.
Started before another activity in the past and proceeded up to the time of the second activity and perhaps even beyond that time.
Roshi had already known my father for 3 years when I met her.
On the 20th of August, I'd worked here for 4 months.
To talk about unreal or imaginary things in the past. In the same way that we use the past simple to talk about unreal or imaginary things in the present, we use the past perfect, one step back in time, to talk about unreal things in the past. This is common in the third conditional and after wish. If I had known she was ill, I would have visited her.
You would have passed the exam if you had studied harder.
I wish I hadn't missed your YouTube channel.
It is based on knowledge. Kindly like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and take care.